Garlic is a wonderful crop to grow at home. It takes up very little space, and it doesn't require a lot of work. Garlic wants to be weeded and mulched. You need about 6 inches of mulch over the top of your garlic when you plant it, which will be in late October. My rule of thumb is to plant it at Halloween, and then it comes out in the summertime. In the springtime, it will shoot up. So in eastern Washington, it's May right now, and this is what my garlic looks like today. So you can see that we've had a lot of growth over the last couple of months. In the fall, you'll see some tiny green nubbins coming up out of the soil after you plant your garlic. Mulch your garlic really well, and then the snow, if it's snowy where you live, will act as an insulator on your garlic. There are 2 types of garlic that are most common to plant. Softneck, which yields a large bulb and a braidable stem, and the other variety is hardneck. You get a double crop on that because you get scapes from hardneck garlic, and you also get the garlic bulb at the end. Scapes are delicious and have the consistency of a green bean and taste like spicy raw garlic. This is what my garlic looks like right now, so you can see that it doesn't have a developed bulb yet, but in 2 months this will be a fully developed head of garlic. Garlic is ready to harvest when the greens have died back and turned brown. You can pull away some of the soil and see that the bulb has developed and it looks papery like what you would find in the grocery store. At that point, it's considered cured and it's ready for storage. You can use that garlic for the rest of the year in all of your favorite recipes, and then it stores really well, so you'll have garlic that you grew yourself for the rest of the year.